Okay, this is my Clickbank account that I'm using for my brand new one I set up just to do YouTube marketing. And you can see it's kind of sparse, which is what you're going to expect to begin with. And every once in a while, you strike a little lightning, you can make some bigger sales. Just depends on what you're promoting and how responsive your leads are. I want to show you an important skill you need to have in order to do this. You've got to be able to go to the marketplace and find a product and create a link for it. So we're just going to create a link that we're going to promote in my YouTube ad. Let's just go into e-business because that's what I'm working on. And I'm going to pick this product right. Make money with YouTube with no filming. I have no idea what this product is. Probably shouldn't promote it, but what the heck. Make sure my affiliate name in here. This is the name that you signed up to the account. You can put a tracking link in there. You can see I usually put YouTube in there. Generate hop link. This creates your affiliate link. Now this is too yucky to put into a YouTube video by itself. So I use ClickMagick to click my links, but you could use Bud URL. Let me just, not Bud URL, I mean Bitly. I'll just show you Bitly so you can see how you can clean it up so it looks a little bit better. I don't use Bitly much, but it's just a matter of going to bitly.com. It's free. You hit create. You type in your link here that's ugly, and you say create. And it creates a nice clean link for you to promote right here. And you just pick that link up and you promote it in your video. Now, when you promote your YouTube video, I would suggest you put it in your first comment that you pin, and I suggest you put it in your description box, along with some written descriptions. Anyhow, that's how simple it is to make a link at Clickbank and Cloak it.